it's Nikki, your AKA Poop Lady, here for your high energy tip number 2. Yes, I know you're more hydrated from yesterday, but our second tip is movement. The more you move, the higher your energy, and yes, the higher your income. Because when you're moving more, you're getting way better blood flow through your whole body and especially your brain. If you want to catch every morsel that Suzanne has to offer, your brain has to work right? So movement, anything you can do. We obviously sit in this position. We drive in this position. We lounge in this position. Anything you can do to get yourself out of that position. Move your arms, stretch above your head. This muscle is called your hip flexor. And if you stretch that, no, get down. If you stretch that, he wants to be in the video too. If you stretch your hip flexors, it is so helpful to get your body moving. Do a few squats. Every time we take a break, your energy will be so much higher at the end of the day. You will not be dragging by the end of today. Today's day 2, right? That's a long time in front of the computer. So make sure you move your body and you will feel so much better. I guarantee it. And if you feel better, your energy's higher, you're pooping better. Yep, that movement is good for the movement. You will thank me. I guarantee it. And I am so looking forward to talking to you one-on-one to figure out what your specific energy leak is. If you're not on my calendar yet for your accelerator call, what are you waiting for? I'll talk to you soon, and I'll definitely see you tomorrow.